Hello students, I Kamlesh Kumar. Welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel Social Science Academy. We are studying history chapter of class 8, that is the impact of British rule on India, and we are talking about the education policy of Britishers in India. Now let us see the positive and negative impact of the British education system on India. So first, positive impact of British system of education on India. The English language united the people of different regions. People now rose above narrow regional prejudices and started thinking of India as their motherland. So what happened after this imparting education in English? The people got together. They got attached with each other, and they started to think on logical basis. They started to criticize prejudices which were there in the Indian mindset. It was prevailing. A large a surge of nationalism spread in all parts and all sections of India. Already we have seen that the concept of nationalism was emerging in Europe at the time, and being influenced by those ideology, the learned people of India got attached with their motherland, and the feelings of nationalism was grooming in India. It created awareness about the ideas of equality, liberty, and fraternity and democracy. So, with the influence of English culture, the Indian started to think about equality, liberty, fraternity, and democratic setup of society. So, it created awareness about the need of social and religious reforms. The learned people of India who got education in English schools, they started to think logically, and they started to criticize or discard those things which were like superstition, blind faith. So they started to talk about the religious reforms and social reforms in India, and social awakening started during the British rule in India. Educated women like Sarojini Naidu joined the national movement. Not only Sarojini Naidu, many of the women like Kadambini Ganguly, also from West Bengal, they actively participated in the national movement by influenced by those awakening. Now let us see the negative impact of the British system of education. The British system of education created division between English educated and Indian and the rest of Indians. Means those people who were learned people, those who were passed out from English schools, they thought themselves they are superior than the other Indians. So it created a division of society. Next one is indigenous literature and thought were ignored. Before this English education, the people were liking education in Sanskrit, Persian. They were studying the religious books like Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ved, Quran, etc. So gradually the interest of the people were diminished in these texts. British textbooks glorified the British administration and philosophy. So it was the propaganda of the Britishers, and they glorified their textbooks and the content. Education became the priority of those who could afford it, and hence only the rich Indians benefited. So till that date, universal education was not in practice, and the Britishers did not promoted the universal education and free education to all. It became the part of Indian society later on, especially after the independence. So these were the positive and negative aspects of the English education system in India. In the next video, we will talk about the social impact of the British in India. So till then, keep watching. If you're liking my videos, please smash on like button and subscribe my channel to get the earliest notification of videos. Thank you. Have a nice